My name is Giles Coe, working with the Rother Valley Railway for the last 5 years. So we started surveying from August this year once we had access to the line. For that period of time we've been able to carry out bat transect surveys once a month, and we've accompanied that by doing activity surveys for bats, which are essentially we set out 7 static monitors approximately every 500 metres along the course of the line, and those are left to record for 5 nights, and we then investigate the data to see what bats are there and in roughly what kind of abundance. What we're looking at the moment is a very densely thatched secondary woodland. Whilst some species are able to move through that quite easily, groups such as bats will find that extremely difficult. What we're anticipating is that once that is opened up, actually at night time, this would provide a far more functional corridor for bats to move across the landscape.